Welcome very much to this course. We're happy to have you here with us. Before we get started, we need to tell you something very, very important because of our medical legal system. So I'm Scott Patton, your co-instructor, and this is Martin Patella. Martin,
hello.
What is our disclaimer?
Number one, we are not medical professionals. We are not licensed to practice medicine, and for that reason, we are not practicing medicine, which would be showing you how you can diagnose, treat, or prevent any specific disease. If by some strange circumstance you may think that we're doing that, our intention is not to. Our intention is to educate you about what you can do, about your own behavior, about your own nutrition, and about the situation you're in. The important thing is this. We are hoping that your body, its homeostatic system, its own ability to fix itself, will take over when we remove the blocking factors from the function. Mercury is one of these major blocking factors.